It's Saturday night. Excuse me. It's January 30th. I'm in Lakewood, Colorado. At my good friend Donnie's and Roxana's. They're in putting kids to sleep. The weather called for snow. I wasn't paying attention. I'll do it no matter what kind of weather it is. That's my ride. Big Red, EMCC, Sword McCave, Sappers. So, I thought I'm no expert in photography or film taking. I adjusted a couple settings. I think I went to contrast. But I've got 3 devices, and then my friends are always telling me about their devices. You got to be a goddamn software tech engineer. I have no time to actually fucking work, because I got to always constantly figure out my goddamn cell phone, what it can do and it can't do, and clearing out caches. If you notice, there's nobody else in this fucking weather. I don't really think it's too bad as long as you keep moving. But I was hoping Roxana would come down about right now. I wanted to give you a demonstration about raking snow, brah. Now, I grew up here in Colorado thinking I could rake some leaves. I've raked some leaves in South Dakota. I've raked some leaves in North Dakota. I thought I was goddamn leaf raker. Well, I didn't know shit. The first person that actually taught me how to use a rake insulted me. Said, brah, you unclean like my ass, cuss. Fucking howly. Fucking took the rake away from me in Nanakuli. His name was Mananoa. I was so pissed at him then. Now I think about him all the time, because I am one badass motherfucker with a rake. I know more about raking than I do 4x4 systems. This is a 1997 Chevy Suburban. Let me turn it this way. It's got over 200,000 miles on it. It was a state of Missouri fleet vehicle for 12 years, I hear. And they put the lift on it, and they put the 33-inch tires. Sorry, I can't really add any light to that. This is all existing light from the sky and the street lights. But I put some things on it. I don't know what that wheel's for. It just reminded me of the X-Men. I said, what the hell? My buddy, this used to be a drivable car. He trashed it. So I took the Grand Prix off of it and put it on Big Red. Yes, I got myself a Chevy Grand Prix. Look at this little happy how you doing number. I don't know the best way to capture it. Yes, I went and got myself a mini Vice. How cute. How special, yes. Been many places, tasted all the flavors. There's one thing I can't understand, is why I'm never satisfied. I like my fish and poi, I'm a big boy. Beef tribe stew, just to name a few. Oh yeah. Squid and chicken luau, don't forget the lao lao. Yeah, I know some of the kind Hawaiian. Hung out with some Kanakas, brah. Put a fire extinguisher underneath there. This tube here, I don't know, it's like a sonic tube for landscapers and irrigation guys. I thought it looked tough. I wanted to put shit like brooms, rakes, and mops through it so it's not in my goddamn cab. Stupid, I know. My best friend Juan from high school, fuck, he got T-boned in an F450. Totaled it. So I took the badging off and stuck it on a Chevy. Super Duty. I was with the cab when I was 18. Operation Desert Storm. Army Strong, gay. It used to be all you can be. They changed that because of motherfuckers like me. I don't say no. I'll figure out a way around that. If the sign says no parking, then remove the sign. There's my MOS. I'm 12 Bravo Combat Engineer. That's my buddy's war. Operation Iraqi Freedom. Save the boobies! Oh no, that one's just troops. Army, 10th Mountain Division, 82nd Airborne, 2nd Armored Division, I guess is disbanded. But I put it on there because I got a problem with DUIs in the state of Colorado. Red 13. That's a fucking Colorado fucking thrash band. I think they're like a biohazard nuclear assault. And Mike Douglas, he kind of reminds me a little bit of the kind. A little bit of Udo. Cold winter nights, cold winter dreams. That thing works. A little hazardous conditions, fucking construction vehicle. So where are we at here? Let me check the clock counter. Oh fuck, bro. What, 7-minute video? Damn, boo. You talkie, don't you? Oh, I'm not gonna be able to see inside this cabin. Anyhow, I'll be back. I'm gonna break. This is Denver, Colorado, and we're going to the Super Bowl against the Carolina Panthers. Won't be in this state, though. Hello, Dad. Oh, there goes 2 of them. Cops are coming. Cops are coming. Cops are coming. I wonder where those motherfuckers are going. Over on the west side. Over down. Just like that. They're gone, bro. I don't care. It's not against the law to fucking rank snow. I'll see ya. Come on, Roxana. I ain't sending her a text from down here, yeah? Wahines, ba. They have no concept of time, boo.